first up, guess who the first story is about? I'll give you a hint, okay? He's my favoriteest film star in the whole world.
Hey, I object. It's me, right?
Well, I am talking about an RK, but I'm just adding an S to it. Yup, Shah Rukh Khan was in the capital. The king was at the Kingdom of Dreams. And luck, Radhika was the one who caught up with him.
Thanks, Priyanka and Ranbir. I can see you're doing a fabulous job as night out anchors, and I have competition in my job, but don't worry. I think I've had enough fun today. I've been at the weekend at the Kingdom of Dreams, and the biggest part of my Kingdom of Dreams was hobnobbing with the King Khan himself. Take a look. What is Kingdom of Dreams?
I think it's a kingdom where dreams come true. Apart from being world class, it is not borrowed from the world. The content is going to be Indian, about the culture, about, you know, we keep screaming about this all the time. That listen, we have such great stories to tell, we have such amazing mythology, we have such earthy things to talk about. And then, unfortunately, we've not had platforms to perform them on.
गुरु पाशा का शुरू होगा जादू टोना, आसमान से आज बरसेगा सोना.
I've seen it all, and it's quite mind-boggling.
Anyways, I think we need to move to films. In fact, I was talking to Priyanka, and it's interesting. She talks about Ranbir and how he's got all these phobias and he's scared of everything Khatron Ka Khiladi. And I said 5 people you would want. She said there was Robert Pattinson, there was Akshay Kumar, there was, and number 1 was obviously Shah Rukh Khan. And I said, why Shah Rukh Khan? She said, because I love SRK. And she had this nice dreamy look on her face. And now you're going to be shooting with her. So if you had to give her one stunt to do, and she knows her stunts, what would you do?
Well, she's calling me to jump from a 100-foot building because she loves me.
That's what?
See, this is the unfortunate part I have. All the girls love other heroes. They say we love them, we want to give them a hug. My heroines who love me, they say they want me to jump from a 100-foot tall building. I'll tell her secretly, and I will make sure it's not on the sets.
And what would happen after you played superhero?
Darling, I don't need to play a superhero. I am a superhero.
But even superheroes need some rest. And where better than a Kingdom of Dreams to get, especially when you have the company to match.
Ages back, when we didn't really think of that in Bollywood, you did Dil To Pagal Hai, which was actually like, you know, I think it was a unique concept then, and you explored it. And I want to know that if and when you think of having a Shah Rukh's Nautanki Mahal, who would you have in that? Acting.
Oh, I'd like to have, actually, yes, I'd like to have Madhuri. I'd like to have Juhi, I'd like to have Kajol. They have stage fright right now. They're like, no, how long, 2 hours, how do you read all the lines and stuff? But I think if we have enough time and a good director and a good stage person, you know, who knows how theatre is done, I think, yes, we can pull it off. I would like to have even Tabu to come down and do it. You know, I really appreciate the works of the girls that I've mentioned.
What's one guy you would want to share stage? It could be Hollywood or Bollywood.
I don't know, I think Johnny Lever would be fantastic. I think he'd be fantastic.
You know, honestly, I would have never expected. I don't know, it's just like a very unexpected choice. Why?
Well, because, have you seen him do a live show? I've done a lot of live shows with Johnny Bhai. We call him Johnny Bhai. All of us, actually. Wizcraft and Moranis and myself. And he is, you know, he stands in front of those 20,000 people and he can make you sing, dance, laugh, cry, all without any props. You know, just by the way he modulates his voice, his expressions. And I think he's, I mean, if I may be allowed to say this word on television, he's quite kick-ass.
But for this evening, King Khan was clearly pleased to hand over the crown to the Gypsy Prince, who had got him to the capital in the first place. In New Delhi, Radhika Avasthi for NDTV.